सभी दोस्तों को सलाम नमस्कार। और फिर आइए आज हम शुरुआत करते हैं MCQs की। और ये 23 जून के लिए। तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, हु इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ पीपल्स अलायंस फॉर गुपकार डिक्लेरेशन? फारूक अब्दुल्ला, महबूबा मुफ्ती, MY तारिगामी, उमर फारूक। तो यहाँ पर आंसर होगा फारूक अब्दुल्ला, बिल्कुल सही बात। और फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द सर्वे विच इज डन टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच परसेंटेज of the population has developed antibodies against the virus is called serological survey, biological survey, health survey, none of the above. Here the answer is serological survey. Next question, a fire was broken out in Upahar Cinema Hall in 1997 during the screening of which of the following film? Border, Raja Hindustani, Bazigar, कुछ कुछ होता है. The answer is Border. Next, who is the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Anil Baijal, Banwari Lal, Kailash Satyarthi, none of the above. Answer is Anil Baijal. World's smallest and rarest wild pigs, pygmy hogs, are released in which national park? Kanha National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Manas National Park, Kaziranga National Park. Answer is Manas National Park. Next question is, conservation of pygmy hogs was initiated by Gerard Durrell, Mr. Salim Ali, MS Swaminathan, none of the above. Answer is Gerald Durrell. Which of the following national park / sanctuary is located in Assam? Nokrek Ridge National Park, Orang National Park, Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary, Bernardi Wildlife Sanctuary. Answer is Nokrek Ridge National Park, जो कि मेघालय में है. Next question is, to whom the court has directed to pay damages of 2 crore to the Nandi Infrastructure Corridor Enterprises NIC Limited for loss of reputation? HD Devegowda, Murli Manohar Joshi, Yashwant Sinha, Sharad Pawar. Answer is HD Devegowda. The name of the scheme run by Andhra Pradesh government to provide financial assistance of Rs 18,750 per annum, 750 per annum to women of SC, ST, BC and minorities for business in the age group of 45 and 60. Answer, option is YSR Arogya Ashray scheme, YSR Chevtha scheme, YSR Matskara Nestha scheme, YSR Amma Bodhi scheme. Answer is YSR Chevtha scheme. Next question is, Papi Konda National Park is situated in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question, पूर्वाचल खादेर जो अभी डेथ किए हैं वो किस फील्ड में थे? लिरिसिस्ट, म्यूजिशियन, फिल्म डायरेक्टर, राइटर. ही वॉज लिरिसिस्ट यानी गीतकार थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाई कोर्ट फॉर लक्षद्वीप, द केरल हाई कोर्ट, कर्नाटक हाई कोर्ट, मद्रास हाई कोर्ट, मुंबई हाई कोर्ट. द आंसर इज केरल हाई कोर्ट. In which state or union territories closure of dairy farm run by animal husbandry and removal of meat from menu was declared? Delhi, UP, Lakshadweep, Karnataka. Answer is Lakshadweep. Animal prevention Regulation 2021 was passed by which state or union territory? Delhi, UP, Lakshadweep, Karnataka. Answer is Lakshadweep. Animal Preservation Regulation 2021 bans slaughter of cow, calves and bulls etc. and also the sale and purchase of beef and beef products. Next, Neradi Barrage is to constructed across the river Krishna, Godavari, Periyar, Vanshadhara. Answer is Vanshadhara. Next, the offence of sedition under section 124A was inducted in which year? 1870, 1892, 1905, 1922. Answer is 1870. Arnab Goswami, the chief editor of Republic TV, is the owner of ARG Outlier Media, The Wire, Swarajya, none of the above. Answer is ARG Outlier Media. Next question. Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti is a pressure group working in Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti, Assam, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka. Answer is Assam. Next question. Who is the chief of the defense staff? Bipin Rawat, Manoj Mukund Narwane, Karamveer Singh, Sunil Rawat. Answer is Bipin Rawat. Navy's Information Fusion Center for Indian Ocean region is situated in Gurugram, Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata. Answer is Gurugram. Lieutenant Commander Stephen Smith, a liaison officer of which country, joined Navy's Information Fusion Center for Indian Ocean region? USA, Britain, Australia, France. Answer is Britain, that is UK. In which state GM rubber sapling is transplanted for the first time in the world? Assam, Meghalaya, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Assam. Which of the following gene has been inserted in the GM rubber plant which is expected to tide over the severe cold conditions during winter, a major factor affecting the growth of young rubber plant in the region? Option is the gene MnSOD, manganese containing superoxide dismutase, IL6, TGFBI, MTHFR. Answer is the gene MnSOD, manganese containing superoxide dismutase. GM rubber is developed by Kerala based Rubber Research Institute of India, Kottayam. Next question, that is, with which company the Ministry of Defence signed a contract for construction of 2 pollution control vehicle for Rs 583 crores? Cochin Shipyard, Goa Shipyard, Mazagaon Dock Limited, San Marine Shipyard. Answer is Goa Shipyard Limited. The vessel would be used for the population response requirements in eastern and the ecologically sensitive Andaman and Nicobar regions. The ship designed, developed and built by GSL are scheduled for delivery by November 2024 and May 2025 respectively. Next, headquarter of UNHRC, UN Human Rights Council, is located in which city? Geneva, New York, London, Vienna. Answer is Geneva. Norwegian Pension Fund KLP is divesting from which Indian company or group on grounds the firm's link links with the Myanmar military breached the fund's responsible investment policy. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, Reliance, Tata, Asian Paints. Answer is Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited. And the last question, which Indian company has reached an agreement with innovator Celgene Corporation to resolve patent litigation pertaining to anti-cancer drug Revlimid, lenalidomide capsules in the US? Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, Cipla, Lupin Limited, Zydus Cadila Health Care Limited. Answer is Sun Pharmaceutical Industries, यानी रेवलिमिड को बनाने का जो पेटेंट सन फार्मास्यूटिकल्स इंडस्ट्रीज़ को मिल गया है। इस तरह से दोस्तों कि मैंने आज का ये MCQs का सीरीज़ ख़त्म किया है। आपको अगर पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करेंगे। साथ ही अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। ये सारे MCQs हमने द डेली न्यूज़पेपर द हिंदू से लिया है, हिंदू से कलेक्ट किया है, और मैं फिर कल आपके साथ हाजिर हो जाऊंगा कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। धन्यवाद।